Hey guys, Joseph here. A month ago, Linus from Linus Tech released a video on dashcam video quality that got everybody talking. Even got so popular that Blackview jumped into the conversation at one point too. Let's start off this conversation by saying there's definitely a lot of points from Linus's video that we agree with. Video quality is definitely something to consider when you're buying a dashcam, but it shouldn't be your only consideration. It was evident that Linus's target audience from that video was very much geared towards people buying their very first dashcam. So today we're going to dive into the topic from a first dashcam perspective and give you guys our response to a couple of comments that stood out to us. So the first comment that stood out to us, Joey Garcia said, as someone who is thinking of getting a dashcam now, though I definitely feel like I should wait for that new Sony chip you mentioned to be released on products.
As for CMOS image sensors, nearly every company uses Sony Starvis, a subcategory of their Exmor sensors. Exmors are used in nearly everything from phone cameras in Apple and Samsung phones alike, to high-end consumer cameras, to the lowest-end webcams. And the Starvis line is the type that is specifically designed for security cameras and other similar applications that require decent low-light performance. The most common sensor to find in dash cams right now is the IMX335.
So here's the thing. It takes more than just the image sensor to deliver good video quality. There's a couple of things at play here. You've got your image processor, your frame rate, your bit rate, your CPL filter, as well as an assortment of other things that make up what the overall video quality looks like. So even how fast you're driving relative to another car can affect the readability of your dashcam footage. So if you're new to the market and you're looking to buy your very first dashcam, here's our advice. Find a dashcam that fits your need and, most importantly, your budget. If you need a dashcam that watches over your car when you're parked, well then, your top priority should be reliable parking mode recording. And then if you're given the choice between two dash cams that fits your needs and budget, then go for one that offers the best video technology. But hey, if all you're looking for is the best video quality and nothing else, then we definitely agree with what Vortex Radar and Linus said. Go with the Vioful A119V3 or the Vioful A129 Plus Dual. Here's a comment from Imaginary Number. I have the Vioful and use the polarizing lens accessory to help sharpen the license plate visibility. But yes, a lot of the choices out there are very similar and none of them are as good as a GoPro or smartphone camera. If the GoPro Hero 10's image sensor is 4 times more in terms of megapixel compared to a regular 5.14 megapixel dash cam, should we expect the video quality to be 4 times better? Unfortunately, that's not the case, as proven by a lot of good people, including our friend Vortex Radar.
Now, when it comes to video quality, again, the GoPros are going to have great video quality, which is not a surprise. However, I found that GoPros still face motion blur despite the high megapixel count. To see the benefits of shooting at a higher resolution, you can compare the 2K dashcam footage on top, the two 4K dashcams in the middle, and the 5K GoPro on the bottom.
GoPros are built for capturing some impressive action sequences, but I don't think you'd use it like a dash cam for capturing minute details like license plate readability. You're not going to be using these cameras for continuous recording for hours. If you've watched our friend EastCoastJeepSRT's video, you will recall he said his GoPro died on him 5 times while he was filming.
I am using an external battery to power this GoPro, and it has shut down 5 times on me today while I was trying to do a video like this.
You certainly don't want yours dying on you in the event of an accident, especially when you're not there. Apple and Samsung makes impressive cameras, but according to Apple, on a full charge, the iPhone Pro Max can last up to 25 hours. But if you're using the camera only, runtime drops down to 3 hours. The camera itself will stop recording, and if you touch it, it's definitely going to be very warm or even hot to the touch. To be fair, dash cams also do get quite warm after a couple of hours of continuous recording. They are designed to be left on your windshield, so that said, they are built to withstand a reasonable amount of heat. So here's the tea. If you're shooting a vlog or you're shooting some really short segments inside your car, then a GoPro or an iPhone would definitely suit your needs way better. But if you want to document your entire drive, keep recording even while you're parked as a security measure for all your gear in the car, we definitely recommend a top-tier Thinkware and Blackview dashcam, and even Vioful dashcam. Here's the next comment that caught our attention on Vortex Radar's video. This is from Dashcam Serbia, People who have dash cams actually want the best video quality possible. Anybody buying a camera, the first question that they ever ask us is, how good is the video quality? We hear you. For us tech junkies, we also want the best video quality and we want the best video technology too. And the truth is that new video technology, the whole shebang, it's definitely out there. And it's only gonna be a matter of time before the new processors and the image sensors are gonna be fitted within the latest dash cams. But realistically, we are talking years. Every driver's needs are different. And when it comes to the best dash cam recommendations, there's no one-size-fits-all solution. Check out our best dash cam guide on our website, and the first thing you're gonna see is different categories of drivers for different dash cams. So is video quality important in this case? Well, yes, because you wanna know who or what happened to your truck. But that said though, the police or the insurance company isn't gonna need super high-res 5K footage. All they need is just dash cam footage as long as it shows the license plate or the perpetrator. That will be sufficient. Instead, look at the other features that a dash cam can provide. And that's why manufacturers like Thinkware, Blackview, VideoPhone, Nextbase, and many others focus on their non-video features. Features like always connected cloud, ultra high frequency radar motion detection, just to name a few. But cloud makes it easy for you to back up your incident footage and share it with your insurance company. So find a dash cam that offers you the best features for your needs as a driver and car owner. And then once you've narrowed down your choices, pick the one that offers the best video quality. The Linus Tech tip video was about the quality of the image, and one of their points was regarding security, specifically in regards to tracking. Their point was they didn't like the fact that many of these newer dash cams, while retaining the same level of image quality, added all of these features, including location tracking. So yes, when you put a GPS and cloud together, you do get a really good location tracking device. But in order for someone to access your data, they need to get access to your mobile app and your cloud device as well. But of course we get it. If you're seriously concerned about your privacy and you don't want others knowing your whereabouts, what you can do is take the micro SD card out of your dash cam and delete your footage every time after your drive. Just make sure that you don't delete any important dash cam footage on there as well. And all major manufacturers offer non-GPS, non-cloud models in their lineup as well. And in other words, there are options to choose from for protecting your whereabouts and your data. Now, before we let you go, we want to address a question that Rex asked on our Q1000 sample footage video. Think we're coming out with a 3-channel dash cam anytime soon? They do have something called a multiplexer that allows you to hook up to their Thinkware F200 Pros. We created a 5-channel system with the multiplexer and the Thinkware F790 back in June, and you can check out our video in our channel. We've also included the link to the video below. To the next question, is the Q1000 superior to the U1000? Well, the answer to that is it depends. The U1000 is a 4K dash cam that was released back in 2019. But with frequent firmware updates, Thinkware has continued to upgrade its features and performance, and is still, in our opinion, one of the best dash cams on the market today. Now the Q1000 is Thinkware's newest dash cam, so while it's only a 2K dash cam, it offers Super Night Vision 3.0, de-warping technology, and more to offer excellent quality. Make sure you check out our Thinkware Q1000 in-depth review video so you can learn all the new features that Thinkware released for it. We definitely want to thank Linus, EastCoastJeepSRT, and Vortex Radar for starting the subject so that we can add our own insight into it as well. You can learn more about the dash cams and all the products that we talked about today on our website. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel if you found value in what we talked about today. If you're interested in making a purchase, be sure to use exclusive YouTube code BBMCTube to take 5% off your next purchase. If you have any questions or comments to make, be sure to drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.